Vijay sir,
What is it?
Yes.
how are you? Been a long time.
Yeah. No running, no. You are running 10K, I know.
Yeah.
I request all the members to mute your mic,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Avanish.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening, KTM Muscat runners. The latest report today is that the lockdown has been extended till 29th. By that time, we will be in lockdown for almost 2 months. We will not be, the sad part is that we will not be able to go out and run. This is the best time to learn how to do meditation and pranayam, which will help us to control our emotions. How to run with the proper breathing? That is a question which worries almost all the runners. We get many confusing information from many sources. Today, we have a yoga practitioner who is an expert in meditation and pranayama. She will also be guiding us how to do proper breathing while running. Help me welcome Ranjana Ben Joshi. Ranjana Ben,
Good
you can
evening.
take over.
Yes. Good evening, all. Namaste.
Namaste and good evening.
Welcome to all pranayama and meditation session. Thanks for taking your valuable time out. Attend the session this evening. I am a Ranjana Joshi, housemaker and yoga expert and mother of 2 kids. I am staying in Oman last 29 years, but today I am in India, so I am talking from India. I am a breast cancer survivor. It's my privilege that post-chemotherapy and radiation and hormone therapy in my body introduced me this wonderful world of yoga and meditation. I am practicing the last 10 years regularly. So I want to like to share with you in this group. Before I want to ask, if you people doing, how many doing pranayama and meditation? If someone doing, then please share your experience. Very short experience, first you share.
Ranjana Ben, most of us are not doing any of these. So we would like to learn it from you.
Okay, so I am continue.
Yeah.
I am sharing my pranayama's experience. I learned first pranayama, then after yoga. Why I learned pranayama? Because I finished my full treatment, chemotherapy, radiation, hormone therapy, but till I have seroma collection. Seroma collection is the last 1 year inside my body. That I know, but doctor says nothing. Just they suck like injection and they remove. But slowly they say it's okay now, no problem, leave it. But this part feel the swallow. Okay, water content is there. So I am just sitting and energy level also very less. So just I'm sitting watching the TV. I learn from pranayama. First learn pranayama from CD. Very simple pranayama, ulta pulta, no sequence, nothing, no order. Just like मुझे time pass करना है तो मुझे pranayama करना है. तभी मुझे I don't know aware कि any benefit for pranayama क्या, बस करना है. Then after 8 months I came again India and for yearly checkup. So doctor asked me what you did. Without any medication, and body have a seroma collection, but you are a God grace, your body is not infected. So I said nothing. And that time I'm not realized ki what I did and what I get benefit. I said nothing. Very simple answer. So he say, okay, but we will do the surgery. Again, this year, surgery will finish. And again, I come back. Then after I realize ki hormone therapy give me a lot of side effect. So someone told me ki you join the yoga. So I learned yoga. My guru Prema Nagesh. I learned from yoga, her, and pranayama sequence also I learned from her. But meditation theory I learned from Mumbai. So I'm doing regular pranayama. And if newcomers want to learn pranayama, so today I want to share ki first you all of runner. So you all of have a strength, stamina, you can say muscles, flexibility you have. But how you increase your lungs capacity? Lungs capacity, if you want to increase, so you have to do pranayama. Pranayama definition is very simple, is the Sanskrit name, prana and yama. Prana means vital energy and yama means you can say stretch, you can say expand, you can say long. So, and prana means life, vital energy, oxygen, whatever. So how you will be expand life? This called the pranayama. So first I will tell you all of, first you learn the nostril. Our left nostril, I will introduce to nostril first. Left nostril we say is the moon and right nostril we say is the sun. Now very simple. When you wake up in the morning, on the bed you sit and first you check the nostril, which nostril have a exhalation more. You say we don't know how we do the exhalation, so I will tell you, close your right nostril, left से सांस लीजिएगा, inhale, and जब हम exhale करेंगे तो make hum sound, B sound, inhale, and number of exhalation count on your finger. And same way you do this right nostril, inhale and exhale and check the difference. Which nostril have a more? Make sure morning each and every person, if you have a good sleep, so morning you are all have a left nostril will open. Why left nostril will open? Because night your mind keep calm and relaxed. So your exhalation left nostril will be more longer. And night, if you go to bed, then again you check before sleeping. So definite your right nostril exhalation will be more longer compared to left. Why? Because whole day we have activity, some physical, fitness, whatever, ghar ka kaam, ya office work, any work we all of doing. So definite increase the physical activity in right nostril. So simple language, you can say right nostril, physical fitness, left nostril for mental strength. So if person want increase your left mental strength, suppose you all of runner, you want to learn, you want to finish to marathon, and suppose you reach the goal, very close the goal, and if you cannot reach the goal, so you do pranayama, left nostril use much more. Yeah, you can. Second breathing, I will introduce Ujjayi breathing. This will nostril reading. Now, pranayama. Pranayama, first breathing, we say Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing, very simple. Ujjayi means victorious. Victorious means आपके lungs expand करती है. So again, B sound. Yeah, you can say ocean sound. While exhalation, you all of make ocean sound. If you cannot make B sound, very simple. I will show you first. Inhale. If you cannot make hum sound, so you make ocean sound. By example, suppose person cannot close the mouth, they can open mouth. Same way, inhale. Asthma person cannot close the mouth, so they can open the mouth. But normal person close the mouth and make ocean sound. So Ujjayi breathing, we say ocean sound breathing also. and hum sound. So Ujjayi breathing, lots of benefit all person. Are you runner, diabetic, high BP, low BP, depression, anxiety, fear, confidence level, and very simple is no issue ki this breathing you can do some perfect time, anytime, anywhere you can do. No issue ki aapka stomach empty hona chahiye. If your stomach fill, then also you can make. While going office, you are suppose you are doing driving, you can do inhale, make hum sound. Believe me, within few weeks, you observe your exhalation make more longer, more longer, more long. If your exhalation longer, so automatically your energy, stamina, mental, physical, both strength will increase. So this called the Ujjayi breathing. Next breathing, pranayama is the lots of breathing. I introduce all, but very short. You all of try yogic breathing. What is the yogic breathing? Yogic breathing is the abdomen breathing and chest breathing. Abdomen breathing, again very simple. All newcomers make a mistake. What mistake they are doing? Simple. Suppose inhale, we say stomach come out. Exhale, we say stomach go in. But newcomers always doing inhale, stomach go in, exhale, stomach go out. हम सब लोग सोचते हैं, जब मैंने भी योगा ज्वाइन किया था तब मुझे भी लग रहा था कि मुझे इनहेल एक्सेल अच्छा आता है, मीन्स I can do everything perfect, but no, each and every person while doing breathing make a mistake. So yogic breathing, if you learn proper abdominal breathing, means while inhale, stomach come out, while exhale, stomach go in. Abdomen breathing, again stomach related any health issue will cure. Abdomen breathing you can say is the belly breathing. How you blow the balloon. If you feel the air inside, so balloon will blow. Same way you feel the air, so stomach will come out. You keep the exhalation, so stomach will go in. So every day, very simple, you try 5 breathe. Only 1 minute you all of observe. 1 minute you make only 5 breathe. So not less, not more number of. If you make the exhalation longer, so automatically you can make 1 minute only 5 breathe. Abdomen breathing, this is the bottom. Now come up. Chest breathing. Chest breathing, again very simple, same way you feel air till upper part of lungs. Upper part of lungs when you feel, so your chest will expand. So all energy here. Chest will expand while inhale, and while exhale, chest be relaxed. So you feel air very slow, gently, not one shot like inhale हो गया. No, very slowly inhale. लंबा गहरा सांस आपको लेना है 4 count में, and exhale very slowly. Abdomen and chest both will go down very slowly. So this called the yogic breathing. Yogic breathing, yeah, one more is there, complete breathing. Complete breathing, yeah, you can say deep breathing. Abdomen and chest both together. Deep breathing, suppose you are visit clinic and doctor will check, then they will say लंबा गहरा सांस लीजिए. तो उनको कैसे ऑब्जर्व होता है, सेम वे अगर आप घर पे करेंगे, इनहेल लंबा गहरा सांस, लाइक 4 काउंट हम इनहेल करेंगे, देन पॉज योर ब्रीथ few count, then exhalation you all of try hum sound. Just observe, see how I am doing. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. As much as your lungs capacity, you can keep longer hum sound. So this called deep breathing, abdomen breathing, chest breathing. So if you have a very less time, very simple, this 3-4 breathing, each and every person can try. This after first Ujjayi, then abdomen, then chest, then deep breathing. After deep breathing, I will introduce Bhastrika. Bhastrika, so many people know Bhastrika. But Bhastrika nowadays, suppose like corona, everywhere is the corona problem hai. So prevention for corona, Bhastrika is very good. Suppose person have a sinus problem, cold, asthma, we cannot say Bhastrika is the pranayama. Bhastrika is the kriya. Kriya means cleansing. How you clean your nostril. Just आपको निकालना है. पहले inhale करेंगे, then forcefully exhalation, then little pause your breath, then again inhale. I will show you very simple inhale and just if here I am alone, but someone sitting here, then keep cover with your nose. Otherwise, inhale, inhale, inhale. So clean your both nostril. So poisonous gas, yeah, you can say all negativity will come out. Sinus person, but suppose person have a migraine problem, they cannot do. Person have a ear problem, they cannot do. Person have a severe high BP, always BP so high range, they cannot do. So what they will do? They will do chest breathing. Chest breathing example is the Bhastrika, and abdominal breathing example is the Kapalbhati. So Bhastrika, we will do 10, 10, 10, 30 times. Normal person. If you have a sinus problem, then 20, 20, 20. 20 ka one round, then 3 long deep breath, again 20. So total number of 60 count you all have try. And better night before go to bed, you can try in the wash basin, no problem. You go there and how you clean your nostril. Just you clean your nostril. Inhale and clean your nostril. Pause your breath. Again inhale, clean your nostril. Definite all impurities will come out. No issue, no water contained, no flame, nothing. But whatever inside dirty air will come out. So your body will not infected. This is for very good for corona. Next breathing आता है Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati again is the advanced. Newcomers, I will not suggest, they will try. But if you are used to, just I will explain. Kapalabhati again increase your immunity inside heat. You all of runners, so already you can increase the heat. So no need you have to do Kapalabhati. But if you want to, some person build up more stamina. Suppose I am as a cancer survivor. So I have to do compulsory every day 1000 stroke. 1000 stroke I am doing in only 10 minutes. 1 second, 1 stroke. 60 minute आप करेंगे, sorry, 60 second आप करेंगे this 1 minute में 60 stroke. So if you are doing regular practice, immunity will increase, heat will increase, and diabetic patient are very good because diabetic patient body have a more kapha. Kapha symptom, not a phlegm. Means Ayurveda say Vata, Pitta, Kapha, all three contain in our body. But sometimes some people have acidity, gas trouble. So we say Vata is there. Pitta, vomiting. And Kapha, jinki body cool down jaldi ho jati hai. Like diabetic patient, they need more heat inside. So they have to do compulsory Kapalbhati. So Kapalbhati, just very simple. Inhale and exhale. Means no inhalation sound, only exhalation, exhalation, exhalation. Inhalation, only shallow breath. You cannot do like, this is the wrong way. So no inhalation sound, only exhalation sound. And suppose person have a slip disc problem, they cannot do Kapalbhati. They always used to abdomen breathing. So Kapalbhati and Bhastrika a little bit advanced. So newcomers cannot do. So after this, I will show you. You all of runners need Shitali pranayama. Shitali means cooling breathing. Very simple. You all of increase heat inside while doing running. After running, your body will be want to settle. Suppose some person feel, excuse me, so if heat will increase, so how you keep the body cool? So Shitali, person have acidity, person have a migraine, person have a high BP, very good Shitali. So very simple, inhalation from mouth and exhalation from nostril. So tongue हम बाहर निकालेंगे, like make a pipes, our tongue side from roll and suck. How you suck the straw? Same way inhalation inside, like suppose person have asthma problem, sinus problem, cold, bronchitis problem, they never try Shitali, because Shitali, even diabetic patient also don't try Shitali, because Shitali keep your body more and more cool. So this is the counter breathing after Kapalabhati, have to do Shitali. After Kapalabhati, you all have tried Anuloma Viloma. Anuloma Viloma, here I will show you 5 types of Anuloma Viloma. 5 types means single nostril. Again, मैंने पहले भी इंट्रोड्यूस में आपको प्राणायामा में बताया था कि लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल इज द मून, राइट इज द सन. सो वी से चंद्रवेदी एंड सूर्यवेदी. संस्कृत नेम चंद्रवेदी लेफ्ट, सूर्यवेदी राइट. तो आप राइट को बंद करेंगे, लेफ्ट से इनहेल, लेफ्ट से एक्सेल. You can make hum sound, no issue. This called Chandravedi Pranayama. Few breathe like inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Each and every pranayama, exhalation you make hum sound. So definite your exhalation will be more longer. Chandravedi Pranayama again is very good for high BP, migraine, person have acidity. Same way, Suryavedi Pranayama. Suryavedi, right inhale, right exhale. Person have a asthma, cold, they can do Suryavedi. Person have a low BP, they can do Suryavedi. And person have a want to increase the vitamin D also, so they will try Suryavedi. So this is the benefit. Suryavedi, inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Again inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale. So this 3 breathe Chandravedi, 3 breathe Suryavedi. Now variation of Chandravedi means up left inhale, left close, right exhale. Again left inhale, right exhale. So 3 times we will do left inhale, right exhale. Benefit is the same. So start left inhale, 1, 2, 3. Right exhale. Again left inhale, 1, 2, 3. Right exhale. Again left inhale, 1, 2, 3. Right exhale, 1. And if you know counting hum sound, so count exhalation double. 3 count inhale, 6 count exhale. Always ratio double होना चाहिए. 1:1 means 3 inhale, 3 exhale. This one also correct. This called samavritti. जितना लिया उतना ही निकाला. But try inhale 3 count, exhale 6 count. Always you more and more focus about your exhalation. because exhalation means all negativity, all impurity will come out. Then you intake more and more vital energy. So always you keep more focus about your exhalation. So same way, Surya Vedi variation, right inhale, left exhale, 3 breathe. So start, right inhale, 1, 2, 3. Left exhale. Again, right inhale. 1, 2, 3. Left exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right inhale. 1, 2, 3. Left exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the Chandrabedi, Suryabedi, Pranayama variation. So 4 types. Now fifth one is the Anuloma Viloma. Anu in, Viloma. Loma means hair. In, Loma, hair from out. So left inhale, right exhale, right inhale, left exhale. Like U-turn. This called the Anuloma Viloma. Anuloma Viloma, keep your both nostril energy again balance. Suppose अभी तक हमने share किया कि left से लेंगे, left से छोड़ेंगे, person have so and so problem, then they do only this. But normal person, yeah, if you have any health issue, but you have a no time, single nostril, less time, so you try direct Anuloma Viloma. So your both energy level, nostril energy level will be full, body balance level will be same. So you all of try, right? Always inhalation from left nostril. Why inhalation from left nostril? Because I told again and again, left nostril is the moon, and left side keep your mind calm and relax. So each and every person have a stress want to reduce. So always use the left nostril. So right nostril close, left inhale, you all of few breathe. 1, 2, 3. Now left close, right exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me. Right inhale. 1, 2, 3. Right close, left exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again left inhale. 1, 2, 3. Right exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again right inhale. 1, 2, 3. Right close. Left exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now simple. Suppose you are starting left inhale, right exhale, right inhale, left exhale is the one round. So this is this type of, you try 1 minute 5 breathe, 5 minute 1 minute 4 breathe, and 5 minute 20 breathe. So this is the ratio normal. So you can make more and more exhalation, and very slowly. Don't do fast. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Never try. Very slowly, deeply inhale and deeply exhalation. So this called the Anuloma Viloma. One more variation, pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi pranayama. Yeah, you can say alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing and Anulom Vilom is the same. Only difference is this: left inhale, hold your breath, means both nostril close, and right exhale. Right inhale, hold your breath, left exhale. But suppose person have a asthmatic या cardiac patient, breathless जिनको होता है, they cannot hold the breath. Senior citizen, they cannot hold the breath. So they will do Anulom Vilom, and normal other people, suppose they can hold the breath, so they can do alternate nostril breathing. Alternate nostril breathing and Anulom Vilom breathing benefit is the same, ratio also same. 1:1:2. 1:1:2 means 3 count inhale, 3 count hold, 6 count exhale. So this is the 1:1:2 ratio. And Anuloma Viloma 1:2 ratio. 3 count inhale, 6 count exhale. If you cannot make 6, so 1:1, 1:1 ratio also newcomers, we can say Samavritti. So this all pranayama help you all of definite slow. This is day one, you cannot learn everything, but whatever very simple pranayama like hum sound you can try, and abdomen breathing you can try, chest breathing, deep breathing you can try, Anuloma Viloma you can try. And one more very good pranayama for all of Brahmari. Brahmari means bee breathing. Bee breathing and Ujjayi breathing is the same. Some yoga gurus say Ujjayi 1, Ujjayi 2. Brahmari say Ujjayi 2. Difference only, Brahmari, we are closing the ear. Already all pranayama, when we are doing pranayama, always close your eyes and focus in between your eyebrow center. Eyebrow center is the light chakra. So Brahmari, how we will do? So close your ear, close your eyes, all 4 fingers spread on your face, like little finger, lower lip, below the lower lip, your ring finger above the upper lip, and taller finger near the nostril, and pointer finger keep little slightly press on your eyes and close your ear. Suppose person have a vertigo problem, they cannot close your ear. Person have a ear problem, they cannot close your ear. But very, very good for high BP person, stress, anxiety, fear, depression. So each and every person, every day, before go to bed, you try only Brahmari, then also you get benefit. Normally, Brahmari, we will suggest person do 11 times. Like inhale from nostril, exhalation also from nostril, just make B sound. Inhale. So you can listen your own sound, no outside sound. Full focus only your hum sound. Inhale one more time. So this type we are doing 11 times. Very good for reduce your stress and depression, anxiety, BP, and for everything. Only difference, vertigo people don't close your eyes, but you will get benefit. So this all pranayama session, I will give very short, very few breaths, because if this subject very deeply, if you are going, so lots of time will take. Now I will come on meditation. What is the meditation? Can I continue?
Yes, Ranjana, you can go ahead.
Okay. So what is the meditation? First, very simple way, we can say meditation means you can say your mind can travel. Yeah, you can say from mind journey to reach the soul. But day one, you cannot reach the soul. So very simple. We all of close your eyes. Simply way. Meditation means you cannot move any body part. When outside part, your body is stillness, then inner part will start the healing. So I will give all of very short guided meditation. Guided meditation means you connect with my voice and visualize whatever I will tell you all of. So meditation help you all of. Meditation means focus. How you achieve your goal. So day one, no one can achieve the goal. How you all of runners do practice for marathon. So definite, I will suggest you all of try 21 days. Do start from 5 minutes, close your eyes and sit, just focus. Meditation can open eyes also. You can look at only one point. Don't move your eyeball keep steady. So this one also say meditation. You can keep burning candle, and you look at to the burning flame. This one also meditation. So many type of meditation, but here we are doing very simple. First we will start the relaxation. So you all of sit any comfortable pose, your palm facing upward direction, your palm keep on your lap. Stretch your spine, shoulder relax, slightly chin up always. Close your eyes, focus in between your eyebrow. Now don't move any body part. Take a slow, long, deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, slow, long, deep breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe out, let's go of all your pains, worries, anxiety, tension, fear. Listen to the all external sound coming from this room as well as outside. Try more sound to sound. First, we will start mind to body full relaxation technique from head to toes. Focus on your toes. Relax your left foot toes, left heel, relax, left calf muscles, relax, knee joint, relax, left thigh muscles, relax, your left leg completely relax, then your right leg, right foot toes, relax, heel, relax, ankle, relax, don't move any body part, focus only calf muscles, relax, knee joint, relax, thigh muscles, relax. Now relax your both leg completely. Relax your abdomen muscles. Relax your chest muscles, which are stressed throughout the day because of wrong breathing. Feel relaxed. Now take your awareness, your left hand. Relax your left hand finger, palm, relax. Wrist, relax. Elbow, relax. Shoulder, left, relax. Relax your left hand completely. Now be aware of your right hand. Relax your right hand finger, right palm, relax. Right wrist, relax. Right elbow, relax. Right shoulder, relax. Relax your both arm. Relax your throat area. Relax your whole facial, which are stressed throughout the day because of negative emotions, negative thoughts. Be relaxed. Keep always your smiley face. So all stress will be reduced. Relax your forehead. Move your attention to your spine. Relax your upper spine behind your neck. Relax your middle spine behind your chest. Relax your lower spine behind your navel. Relax your whole spine, which are stressed throughout the day because of wrong posture. Feel relaxed. Relax your tailbone. Now your whole body completely relax. Now one more time. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, deep breathe in and breathe out. Again, inhale. And exhale. Now you all of start the visualization. Only connect with my voice. Imagine yourself. You are in the park. Early in the morning, the sun has not rises yet. You can see the sun slowly rising over the horizon. The park is desert except for you. There is no one else with you. It is beautiful park, calm and pleasant. You can see the tiny pearl like dewdrops that have settled on the grass. These dewdrops keep your mind calm and relax. These dewdrops keep your mind calm and relaxed, and you feel light-hearted. Now, you are walking on the moist grass barefoot. Feel the chill dewdrops pressing onto your feet as you walk on the grass. Listen to the birds whistle, chirping, and singing as they welcome this bright new day. You look around and see that this park is filled with beautiful flowers. Flowers of varied colors. Flowers that are yellow, pink, red, purple, blue, and white. Now, when I say 1, 2, 3, then you all of look at yourself an island. 1, 2, 3. Now, your body is laying on island, surrounded by water on all 4 sides. It is early in the morning. The sun is rising over the horizon. Now, as the sun rises, the warm golden rays of the sun touch your hair first. You feel warm and energetic. You are taking in a deep breath in and breathe out gently. Now, slowly, the warm sun rays are moving from your heel to the toes. The sun rays fall on your forehead. Then both the eyebrows, both the eyelids, nose, ears, cheek, lips, chin, and neck. The whole of your face is covered with the warmth of the sunlight. Feel the warmness of the sunlight. Now, the sun rays graze through your hands, chest, stomach, then through the whole of your right leg and left leg. Absorb the energy from the sun rays. The whole of your body, both sides, front side and back side, more energetic and more healthy and more warm. Just you feel warmness. Observe inflow and outflow breathe and feel the warmness. Take a slow, long, deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly, very slowly, very gently. Open your eyes. First, rub your palm. Feel the energy. Touch to your eyes 3 times from head to toes. Feel the energy. You can open your eyes. Come to the normal position. Thank you. So this is meditation and pranayama. So if you have any questions related, your doubts, so you can ask, no issue.
Ranjana, there are some questions in the chat box which you can see if you can read it. There is a chat button. Or should I read it for you?
Okay. Can Shitali Pranayama be done by those who suffer from sinus problem? No. Shitali cannot do sinus person because Shitali keep your body cool. Shitali is good for high BP person, acidity person. Increase if your body have a heat, then you try Shitali. If you have a cold sinus problem, you never try Shitali. While running, inhale with my mouth open. It is good or not. While exhale, I use force to extra through mouth. It is right practice? No, never. While inhale, you never use the open mouth. Otherwise, you feel more tired. You keep inhalation from nostril and exhalation also from nostril. You can make hum sound, whatever I taught you, Ujjayi breathing. So you can, while running, use really benefit lot of. which breathing to be done for getting sound sleep? Anuloma Viloma, ya Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, you all of can try if you need sound sleep. This is over. No, this over. This over. Huh. While running, how many inhalation and how many exhalation? Different person have a different lungs capacity. So according to your lungs capacity, you can try inhale, exhale. If you are doing regular pranayama, so you first day one observe without pranayama inhalation, how much going, and slowly you start the pranayama. Then after you observe yourself, how many inhalation you did. But normally you inhale from nostril and exhale also from nostril. And if you feel tiredness, so you can try Ujjayi breathing. Very good. You all of runner use the Ujjayi breathing. So this one is the question only. So I give the answer. If you have any doubt, and if you person any question related other health issue, you send me. No problem. I will send you separately if you want to ask. No issue. Sir, only this question is there, so I give the all answer.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ranjanavan. And for this meditation, do you have any recording, any guided, which we can share with all the runners? Any guidance means which will
Till
help?
definite I will send you, but till I don't have, I give the live, so I will try and I give. No
Yeah.
issue.
So we can share it with all our runners, which will help for
Yeah,
meditation.
definite I will make and give it. But
So,
first you say how you feel.
feeling very great. Now we are able to face the challenges. No lockdown, no problem, I think.
No, see, suppose person doing guided meditation, but some person say half is guided which can see, like garden I can see, but other land I cannot see. So in between you not connect with breathe. So thought will remain. So no issue. Newcomers, slowly, how you reduce your thought during the meditation. So you use the guided meditation. So definite help lot of.
And when is the right time for a meditation? Morning or evening?
Morning. Early morning, Brahma Murta, 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. If you cannot manage, so no issue. People doing it evening also. But morning is more benefit because more positivity, mind is clear, no thought is there. Whole day in your mind already thought is storage. If you are doing meditation, so it's difficult. So slowly you start from morning and then you can manage anytime you can manage. But you only connect with yourself 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then slowly increase 15, 20, 30. But you all of newcomers, so I will choose, I did very short meditation.
Okay. So if anybody has any questions, they can unmute and raise the queries. So people are asking for the audio link, which I hope you will be sending later, which will be helpful. So Ranjanaman, on behalf of KTM Muscat Runners, thank you so much. It was very informative.
Thank you. Welcome you all of. Thank you again. You all of attend my session, so thank you so much.
So one question, Ranjanaman, one question is, sir, what should be the gap after dinner for meditation?
Yeah. That just now I saw. What should be the gap after dinner for the meditation? Definite at least 2-3 hours. If you have a less time, so you take dinner light, and yeah, before dinner you do it meditation, then you take the dinner. Yeah, while sleeping also you can try the meditation. No issue.
Thank you.
person want good sleep, before you do meditation, meditation means our mind going in subconscious mind. Now we are all of mind state is the conscious. Meditation period, mind going in subconscious means ardha jaga hua. Half you listen and half you sleep. Whatever guided meditation we did. So if person have a sleeping problem, definite they will do in night before go to bed. So it's help lot of.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Once again from KTM Makad Runners. I hope
Thank you.
there is no more questions. So thank you everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very,
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
very helpful, ma'am. Thank you.